Do you wish you had a nice mechanical keyboard for your Amiga 1200? You might soon be able to get one from this person, with a name I will not try to pronounce. He is making a mechanical keyboard for the Amiga 1200 using MX switches. The keycaps will be available in colors like pure white and light grey, pre-yellowed, red and black, and perhaps more. To install this keyboard you need to use the original metal plate or use the mounting holes in the PCB and 3D print your own mounting brackets. He will provide a user manual you can download. The price is unknown for now, but he said it will not be in the hundreds of dollars, I presume.